Hi guys, and welcome here on my YouTube channel. In today's video we will unbox the new Luxe Christmas Edit box from Next Beauty. This is a 12 beauty products Christmas box that worth over £420, is retailed for £95. The price tag is a bit high, is not cheap at all. The good side is that 10 products from the box are in full size and the other 2 left are in travel size. The packaging is nice, the box feels heavy, and this is a good sign. Okay, beautiful people, this was the information I wanted to share with you regarding this box. Now let's unbox it and discover the gems that are hiding inside. As usual, on the screen in the right corner I will insert the size of each product from the box. And the first product found is a body oil from the brand Aromatherapy Associates. It's called Relax Body Oil. The comforting combination of chamomile, vetiver and ylang ylang in this easily absorbed natural body oil will aid relaxation and encourage a peaceful night's sleep while leaving skin deeply nourished and silky smooth. I heard about Aromatherapy Associates. I didn't try anything from them. I like that this body oil comes with a pump. This is really helpful. The second we find a product from Neom Organics London is a pillow mist called Bedtime's Hero Scent of Sleep. Spritz over pillows and bed linen for your best ever night's sleep. A really special complex blend using 100% natural fragrances with 13 dreamy essential oils including English lavender, chamomile and patchouli. Number 3 is a product that I like. It's from an amazing brand from Philip Kingsley. Elasticizer Therapy Deep Conditioning Treatment is a pre-shampoo treatment that delivers an instant boost of moisture, elasticity and stretch to hair, leaving them shiny, soft and healthy. Beside that, it smells lovely. It has a delicious fruity scent. Happy with this hair mask. Product number 4 is a face tool that I have and love. Is the facial lift tool from Sarah Chapman. Here on my YouTube channel I have a video about this face tool. I will leave a link to it in the description box in case you want to see it. Is a perfect at-home facial roller that will depuff, sculpt and refresh the skin. I prefer to use it at night after I apply the face serum. Product number 5 is from the brand Elemis. Pro Collagen Morning Matrix is a daytime face moisturizer that improves the feeling of firmness and elasticity. Elemis is a great brand. I am sure that this face moisturizer is great too. I tried this range and is very good. Number 6 is an eye cream from Espa, Triactive Resilience Probiome Eye Treatment, nourishing eye cream to brighten and boost resilience. A clinically proven brightening eye cream with antioxidant protection. This treatment acts as an anti-inflammatory treat for the skin whilst hydrating and smoothing. Skin feels supple, protected and soothed with improved texture and luminosity. Product number 7 is from the brand Eve Lom and is called Simple Cleanser. Massage this nourishing balm over the skin, allowing the plant oils get to work dissolving makeup and dirt, leaving your complexion cleansed and refreshed. Next we find a lip gloss from Iconic London, Plumping Gloss. Let's see the shade. Is in shade Feeling It. Is a beautiful and wearable shade. Douse lips in color and shine with this gorgeous gloss that has a cool minty tingle to cleverly plump up your pout at the same time. I tried a lip gloss from Iconic London and I like it. I'm not sure if they are from the same range. I need to check that. Product number 9 is a mascara from Estee Lauder Double Wear Mascara for long-lasting length, curl and volume. This award-winning mascara keeps lashes looking full, fluffy and long. What else we got in the beauty box is a blush from NARS Orgasm Blush. The most iconic blusher shade in the industry, this cult makeup hero gives your skin a healthy looking flash that flatters any skin tone. I had this blush and yes, it's lovely, the shade is beautiful, it is a blush pink peachy shade with a nice satin finish. 11th product is from the brand Laura Mercier, the Caviar Stick Eyeshadow in shade Sienna. I am not sure about the shade, it looks a bit dark for what I like. It's a long-wearing eyeshadow stick that delivers effortless application with up to 12 hours of high-impact color. I have this product but in a different shade. It's very easy to use, resists well during the day. The only thing is the shade is not exactly what I like. And the last product from the Luxe Christmas Edit box is a mini perfume from Versace, Dylan Blue Eau de Parfum, with woody patchouli, refreshing black currant and floral jasmine. This fragrance is perfect for both everyday and special occasions. Very nice to have a fragrance in the beauty box. Here are all the products from the Luxe Christmas Edit box from Next Beauty. What do you think, guys? Is a good beauty box? Would you buy it? For me, it's a nice and consistent box. I like that we have a treat almost for everything. We have great skincare products, we have a fragrance, we have a hair care product, they full of everything, and this is great. And this was today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!